AI can right now create music for you. SunoAI is able to create tracks for you, either instrumental or also with voice. This is pretty amazing because this is a new frontier of models that we have never seen before. First of all, SunoAI has the best model in terms of the leaderboard, at least in the Arena ILO, for instrumental audio generation. And if you want also vocals, it also has the best model by far. So this is a very big and important thing to do. The audio industry is billions of dollars every single year, and having AI generate instrumental tracks for your singers or even create end-to-end songs is pretty amazing. So one thing I want to note to you is that if you generate audio with Suno, you cannot use it for commercial use if you don't have one of their paid plans. You can use it internally for your own self or personal projects, but if you want to use it for commercial usage, you won't be able to. However, this is not that bad because if you see their plans, you can literally pay $10 per month and you can use it commercially. You get loads of credits that allow you to create like 500 songs every single month. And you get access to their latest models and the actual best model out there. But you can also test it out with a free plan. I will give you the link down below. And you get access to their previous model. You get 50 credits per day that allow you to create 10 songs. You can also give the AI 1 minute of audio, so it can use that audio to create the song. And this is a very generous free plan, at least in my opinion. But even the commercial ones, if you're a professional or if you're a YouTuber and you want to generate specific sounds and specific audios to capture exactly the feeling you want, well, this is an amazing plan. Comparing this to Epidemic Sounds or other paid services for music, this is a very good and competitive plan because you can create the music you want. It's going to be completely distinct from other audios that other people have on their videos, and you won't have to search Epidemic Sounds, to find the exact audio you want. So this is a game changer. This is an amazing thing, and I think if you're a YouTuber or a musician, this is something that you need at least to try out. So free version down below in the description. I'm not affiliated with them, but if you click the link down below and log in with your Google, I'm going to get some credits to be able to use it even more. So we're going to give it a try. We're going to give it a very quick check. We're not going to go very deeply into it, of course. This is not the goal of today's video. This is something that I've seen. It felt quite interesting and I just want to show you. So we're going to create a beat for a relaxing gaming video. So let's create this audio. We want only instrumental, we want only the beats. So let's see what this model will do. I'm quite interested to see the actual response and the final result. One thing that I like is that it gives you multiple generations. These ones you cannot use because it's for the premium version. However, we can check out the previous version, which is this one. So let's hear it. So that looks nice, I really like it. So we're going to go with a rap beat for a competitive, let's say, gaming video. And we can also select the type of music, the type of sounds that are going to be. So I'm going to select pop, gangster rap, and let's create it again. So the model is going to generate even more audios for us. I think also the model is doing some prompt optimization, which you can see over here. So you can see exactly the prompt that it was used. And let's hear it. Oh yeah, baby! That's amazing. Woo! Guys, this is insane, and we're talking about the old model. This is pretty incredible. Oh my god. So let's go ahead and try something else. So I'm going to go ahead and create a punk rock song. You can also add your own lyrics if you want to, but I'm just going to go ahead with simple, remove instrumental, and we're going to select here some extra options. maybe BPM. So a punk rock song with also voice and lyrics. Let's try it out. Again, I want to give you a reminder that this is the old model. It's not as powerful as the new one. I see that the generations are about 2 minutes, maybe a little less, maybe a little more. The premium model has generations of up to 4 minutes, as we see over here. So the big model will also be able to give you even more, audio time. So let's check it out. It's also super fast to generate. Literally takes less than a minute. Oh yeah! This is great. This is amazing. This is great. I love it. So let's try one more thing. Instrumental that feels like you are chased. Interstellar like sound. And we're going to select instrumental. Let's give it a check. This is pretty incredible. I'm literally shocked, and we're not talking about the best model that SunoAI has. This is incredible. I might start using it for my YouTube channel. In all honesty, I have a gaming channel and I lack very nice audio. This seems incredible. Let's check it out. Great work. Okay, so this doesn't feel exactly like my prompt. This feels a little too chill, but fine, whatever. This is absolutely amazing. And there is also like a radio that you can actually hear different musics that exist, which is nice. It's actually exactly what you would like. It's like a real radio. And you can also watch the library here to see all of the things you have created. This is a little bit like Spotify. They have created a whole like social media style Spotify like AI generated audios. And you can hear to other AI creators, which is pretty amazing. These guys also have, video overviews here, which is interesting. Really love it. This is pretty amazing. This could be a completely new way, for artists to create AI audios. This guy has 23,000 followers. Insane. But yeah, I feel like this is such an amazing thing that is under-discovered. So I wanted to let you know that this exists. Hopefully you find it interesting. Also, all the time they bring new features. They do loads of updates. This is pretty incredible. I absolutely love this. This is one of the most amazing AI applications I have seen up till now. Completely new, fresh, and it's a disruptor to the AI music. So thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it, learned something completely new, and I will see you in the next video.